Hello friends, today I am showing to you how to use properly VA mode RU analysis. I mean volume analysis, also called a market profile. Okay, first before you use this market profile, you have to understand some basic points. Which is the basic points? Already you know. I knew that VPOC, Valoria low, Valoria high, and POC points, and high value nodes and low value nodes. Okay, and there is a lot of things, but you have to understand step by step in the market. Okay, also there is a distribution curves. You have also know already D shape, B shape, and also B shape, and also there is a B shape, and there is a two distribution in B shape. Okay, this is all used in forex market, very best forex in. If you use this. Okay, already you know about that. I know there is a B shape, P shape, D shape, and also B shape curve here. This all work very well in forex, but not in binary. If you work with binary, you have to only few things you need to understand here. One thing is, okay, before starting that, one thing I'll say you, market will affect three things. Okay, there are three things affect to the market. One is price, one is volume, one is time. Okay, three things are move the market in different ways: price, volume, and time. Three things available here. You have to use this market profile. If you use this market profile very well, you have to understand price actions. How to use price action in different waves and different market structure and different market consolidation areas like this. You have to understand first to use this. See, also there is attraction and rejection coming here in volumes. Attraction means low volume attracts the sorry this volumes are attracts the POC point. It means POC attracts the volumes and push with low volume. Low volume rejecting when the price goes to low volume, quickly rejecting and maybe break out the low volumes like this. Attacks and rejection are coming here. I will show. This is the basic points, but I further upcoming days I will coming with basics. I have to teach you. I want to teach you basics in upcoming days. Today I will show you how to take a trades in market using this volume profile and also volume analysis. Okay, I will show you. Look here, some volume are consolidating here. Look here, the price will attract this volumes attract the price and rejecting. Okay, look here, I will show you how to take a trades. You have to analyze fully here. Without proper knowledge you can't trade. You have to look this also clusters. What else? Cluster are decreasing. Okay, and also one thing, when the high price here, the sellers will attracted. When the high price in the market, sellers will attract. The high price sellers attracting and low price buyers attracting. Okay, this is also very important. Look here, rejecting these levels. It means that attracting the value. The value will attract the price like a magnetic. I will show you properly. And entry point, when you come, when you ask me when you where to entry point, we have to also means we have to enter, always enter like a round numbers. Look here, there is a round number 700. Also there is support like this. You have to enter like this. Okay, look here, there is a no volumes are here. Maybe sometime quickly rejecting this level. I have to pass these levels. Okay, I am waiting for these levels. how this cluster will close, that I will think. Okay, I will explain you after taking the trends. 1 minute. Look here, there is also a round number. Look here, this is also like a round number 50. Low volumes, where the low volumes formed, look here, are rejecting, and I will go it up here from this level. Why I am going to look here, look up here, there is a support. Look here, there is a support, and also low volumes are formed and high volumes are formed here. Okay, there is all high volumes. Look here, it means the price always like a magnetic where the high volumes are forming. That's why I'll go with buyers from this level. See what happens. Look, always these nodes will attract the price like a magnetic. That's why I'll go it up here. And this is the entry point. Look here, maybe you understand, but try to understand me what I am telling you. Because of lack of English, my English problem is. I will show you another trades. Don't take one by one trade. Always like analysis, fully analysis. If you analysis in your confidence in your analysis, and go with your OP. OP means open positions. Don't take trade 1 minute always. Don't think like that. Always take a trade with confidence. Sometimes loss happens, don't worry about that. Okay, your analysis is very important when you trade in with volumes. Volumes is also advanced tool in market, widely used in trading, but you didn't understand this completely without a proper knowledge. Okay, proper knowledge is very important when you use volumes. That's all I'll say you. Upcoming days, don't worry about that. Upcoming days I will take basics. I will start with basics about price actions, candlestick, how to use a candlestick in advance. I'm telling you, don't worry about that. Okay, I will take another trades here. If any confirmation available from these clusters. Okay, there is a level, but don't know how they strong. You can simply see the volumes. Look here, this is like a P-shape pattern. Look here, P-shape. It like looking like a P-shape pattern, and also this is the trend market. Okay, I will show you how to take a trade here. Okay, I always look the clusters and how the volumes are distribution in the cluster. Okay, very important that. Very important. That is the very important. Okay. Always wait for the right opportunity. Looking how the buyers entered here. This is the round levels. Look here. How the buyers looking. Look here. Always buyers. Always professional traders enter with the not randomly they enter. They enter with some reasons. Okay. Look here. They are attracting. They are attracting price but rejecting. It means better to go with sellers from this level. Okay, but I need a good entry point. I'm going to sellers from this level because this week tells us this volumes will attract this price. That's why I'll go with sellers from this level. And also look here, this is the range, the consolidating here. That's all go with sellers from this level, but again rejecting that level. See what happens. I will take another one trade from this level. I will finish this video. Okay, I will wait for the, see here there is no balance here. See how this support area is strong. We determined from these clusters to weaving these clusters. Also look the clusters, how the volumes are distribution. Further I will show you another one trade from this level. Also waiting for the right opportunity. Always entered with the round levels. Your entry points will be round numbers. You have to should enter with round numbers. Okay, look here always. Here is some POC formed here. Look here. Also there is a level. Okay. But wait for this cluster. How the cluster will closing. How the forms. Okay, I will show you. I'm waiting for like this. Look here, always like this. This market will go like this in this cluster. I'm waiting for the right opportunity from this level. See here, I'm entered with the wrong time. So let's see what happens this trade. Okay, the market will go from this cluster like this and attract and reject and go up from this level like this. See here, level is forming here. Okay, but there is the no volumes are Thank you. See you again next day. I will show you. I will start from basic. Today is enough for you. Don't skip the videos. Always watch with full. You have to easily understand what I am telling to you. Okay, thank you. See you again.